Hello, my name is Soumya and my fellow teammates are Swastika and Tamalika. We have done two projects and we are presenting this. This is our first project based on a QR code scanner, basically a versatile technology that allows to quickly access digital content by scanning. Basically, it is a barcode reader in simple words. We can use this in smartphones to make payments or something. This QR code scanner is also a byproduct of that. So we have done this using Python, and this is an implementation of Python language by through a QR code scanner. This is the overview of the project. In this project, we have made this web app to understand the QR codes basics, what are the basic structures of QR codes, and set up the Python environment on behalf of this. And then we have implemented our QR code scanner to scan the QR codes. This is our algorithm for our code, and now we are going to run the QR code, which we have done. This is basically the code of our QR code scanner web app. Here we have done so many things, but I am not elaborating this. I am simply running this because before I am running this QR code scanner, I have to off my webcam because I am using the webcam of my laptop to scan the QR codes. Here I am running this code. You can see that the code is running up. This may take a while depending upon the computer or the system which we are using. After completion of this code, the runtime of this code, there will be the webcam opening. So here's my webcam. This is the main thing, that our code has successfully run and our webcam has opened. The runtime is over. Now I am implementing the QR code scanner by through I'm scanning my WhatsApp QR code. Okay, here's, you can see that there is a WhatsApp QR code coming. If I take my cursor to this link, and this is opening the follow link, and there's a message showing that if I want to copy the link or the open, I'm clicking on open. Now my WhatsApp is opening. So here's the WhatsApp Messenger is open, but as in my desktop there is no WhatsApp Messenger is pre-installed, so my WhatsApp chats are not directly linking with and are not opened, but the messenger or the website has opened. This is the main thing. This is the main vision of our project, to scan any kind of QR code except payment QR codes like Google Pay or something. We can't open those QR codes which are made for the payment process. This is the algorithm and what I have seen. I have integrating the QR code scanner into the project because I have already shown how the QR code is running, and in conclusion I must say that this QR code through this QR code scanner we can develop this project to a showcase our power of using the Python, and in computer vision we can enable quick access to the digital contents by scanning the QR codes, etc. Thank you. This is our PC1 project. Now converting to our PCA2 project. That is based on a tour guide app. So hello, we have come again with our PCA2 project, but I have taken before. This is our PCA2 project named Let's Move, a specialized your personal tour guide app. This app will connect you to experience the local guides who can provide some personalized tools and insider knowledge to help you make most of your travels. Because whenever we are traveling, there should be a guidance we have to need it to endure our enjoyment and to make our tour better. So our app will help to encourage this. Now moving on to the next slide. Here are some key features and purposes. Our tour guide app will provide the user with personalized travels, initials, and ability to access the real-time location service and use the reviews of the attraction whenever the people have used this app before. They will review in this app, and one can also use that reviews of their statements, etc. as a purpose. It enhances the travel experiences and will brief description and it will brief a brief description about the chosen destination of the user. This app will also show the current weather conditions so that the user can choose their locations or tour locations very precisely. What are the user benefits of this? This will traditional tour tours, time constraints and lack of personalization here. Language barriers are not available here as it is the global language here. The mobile app can bridge of these gaps, and travelers can access convenient information, explore new destinations, and manage their travel plans efficiently through this app. Features like maps, guidance, etc. are there. It works by simply opening the app, setting the location, choose the tour, and follow the guidance. So moving on to the next slide. We basically I have to say that we have not done this app because we have taken not enough so much time. So we're just working on it. But there will be those what we have to make or what we are willing to make. The technological stacks are here, front end and back end, that we have to use there. It is Python, Node.js, or Flutter. And the API integrations are here, Google Maps, translations, or weather. Database solutions we have to use in this. This is SQL and MySQL or MongoDB. So we are just seeing use a code, basically the web app we have made to example you just what we were willing to make. This is the code you can see here, and if we run this code, okay, you can see this is our front page of our web app. Basically we have to transfer it into a app that will be available in the mobile, but we are still working on it. Here you can choose your location, means where you are willing to go. You can use your location, your tour type, and then you can search. But okay, this is a only example basically. So real-time weather and the weather conditions, weather forecast, etc. in our app. You can choose your base destinations. Here every description will be available about those destinations where what you will choose for your tour package. Some of the featured packets are already in here, like Thailand city tour or Singapore city tour, etc. Some clients review will be there, but we are not revealing this now. Thank you. Then now moving on to the slide, back to the slide. What are the future plans with this? The future plans with these are upcoming features and updates. That future updates will include the enhanced AI-driven initially. We are willing to use the AI process to guide you more, and integrating the suggestion, the local services, the personalized recommendation, etc. to increase that and improve our interface, and some additional features will be added there. So this will be our PC2 project. We have just example you a demo we have of it, and thus our PC2 project has been over.